On my right is Senator Joshua Daria of Plateau State. Our state, the Duke of Cross River State, Symbolic, Prof.Mgbeke, the lucky man. Thank you very much.
Excellency, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
You have just met with one of you, who is the president now. The second time you are in the State House. What can you tell us about your visit this time around?
Well, like you said, we came to see one of our own, a class of 99, and to bring about topics about the state of the nation. We are glad that Mr. President received us warmly, and we spoke basically about the security and the situation of the nation, the economy, and of course agriculture. The President showed his concern about these various issues that we came to discuss with him, and we also prefer our own solutions about how he can go about bringing about succor to the people, that the people, especially in the rural areas, are feeling the impact of the harsh economy, and he assured us that he's looking into it. We also spoke about the stability of the Naira, which he also addressed appropriately. So it has been a very fruitful deliberation with Mr. President, and of course he assured us that whatever suggestions, way forward that we might have, is thus always open for such conversation.
Okay, Your Excellency, you have mentioned some of the decisions he has taken or actions he has taken. What is your assessment of those efforts, and then what do you want him specifically to address henceforth?
Well, the first and foremost thing is security, because we told him that without security there can be no progress, there can be no stability. And secondly, the economy, of course, needs to be stabilized by ensuring the foreign exchange remains stable and people can afford. But what is most important was, let's create industries, especially cottage industries, that can employ people rather than just giving out palliatives. We employed on him to try as much as possible to create cottage industries in all the local governments of the Federation where people can be employed. Because if you give palliatives to somebody today, what happens tomorrow? If he has 5,000 in the morning, how about lunchtime or dinner time? What is he going to do? 5,000 cannot buy much. So I thought these are part of the really heart-to-heart discussions we had with the president. And he agreed with us to say, yes, he's going to look into it. And he appreciated all we have come to tell him.
Thank you.
Thank you.